In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new line within the same cell, also called a line break in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to place multiple lines of text inside a single cell without moving to a different cell, this is a very useful trick to know. It helps keep your spreadsheet cleaner and can make notes, addresses, labels, or combined text much easier to read. I'll walk you through the keyboard shortcut method first. And then I'll show you a second method using a formula to add a new line manually inside the same cell. Start by clicking into the cell where you want to type. Enter your text as usual. When you reach the point where you want the line to break, use the correct keyboard shortcut for your device. If you are using Windows or a Chromebook, press Alt and Enter, or in some cases Control and Enter. This inserts a line break within that same cell instead of sending you to a new one. If you are on a Mac, press Option and Return. You may also be able to use Control and Return or Command and Return, depending on your setup. After using the shortcut, continue typing and your text will appear on a new line inside the same cell. If the line break doesn't seem visible right away, make sure the cell is large enough to display multiple lines. You may need to resize the row or turn on text wrapping in Google Sheets so the content displays properly. That way, you can clearly see each line within the cell. Here is also a second method, which is especially helpful if you want to combine text from different cells while placing them on separate lines. In that case, enter this formula equals a 1 ampersand char open parenthesis 10 close parenthesis ampersand B1. What this does is join the content of cell A1 and cell B1, while the char 10 part inserts a line break between them. This is useful when you want to merge information dynamically without typing it manually into one cell. Just like with the keyboard shortcut method, text wrapping may need to be enabled, so the line break is visible. That's all it takes to add a new line within the same cell in Google Sheets. It's a simple feature, but it can make your spreadsheet look much more organized and professional. Thanks for watching.